Are you looking for the best smart mirror TV for bathroom? In this video we will look at some of the best smart mirror TV for bathroom on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sauria 22 inches Smart Mirror TV Waterproof for Bathroom. Mirror is always up to date. It presents TV programs when turned on and a mirror when turned off. The TV is IP66 waterproof and it is luxury installed in bathroom, hotel and kitchens. There are 7 touch buttons in front of the TV of where you model, which is more convenience for using. The TV integrated waterproof speakers are placed in the 2 sides of the TV, so that the barrier is much smaller after the TV is embedded into the wall. IP43 waterproof interface, HDMI compatible, USB, audio hour, TV, LAN, integrated Wi-Fi. Number 2. Solaka 32-inch mirror TV for bathroom. Solaka 32-inch mirror TV for bathroom WebOS Dolby FHD Smart TV with magic remote, voice control, built-in speakers, Wi-Fi. Upgrade your entertainment experience with brilliant 4K Ultra HD at 60 FPS, which offers vivid color, brightness and clarity. 4K UHD delivers a superior picture with 8 million pixels, 4 times more than a 1080p Full HD TV. Press and ask Alexa on the Smart Magic Remote to control your TV and connected devices with built-in Alexa or Think AI. With the built-in Alexa, you can easily find, launch, and control the contents. You can even ask Alexa to check the weather, update you on sports scores, or tell you a joke. Number 3. Solaka 27-inch Smart Waterproof Mirror TV. IP65 waterproof TV decorated with the waterproof polystyrene frame. It is an elegant mirror when turned off and it presents TV program when turned on, or it can transform into a beautiful work of art when you're not watching TV. It is safe and luxury to mount it in the wall of wet places such as bathroom, or any other indoor areas you like. Featured with WebOS plus voice control plus Air Mouse plus Think AI technology. Faster, smarter, more streaming apps, more convenient, better viewing experience. The WebOS apps give you access to a whole new world of entertainment. With the built-in Alexa and Think AI technology, you can simply use the magic remote control to control your TV in the most convenient way. Usually it takes 1-3 working days to ship out the TV after we have got the paid order. The TV shipping time's around 5-20 days according to your country. Our TV has 2 years warranty, counts on the date you sign for the parcel. Number 4. Solaka 24-inch mirror TV for bathroom. Solaka 24-inch mirror TV for bathroom WebOS Dolby FHD Smart TV with magic remote, voice control, built-in speakers, Wi-Fi. The front panel of this waterproof LED TV is made of optical single-sided transmissive mirror. The TV picture vanishes when turned off, returning to a full mirror. The FHD resolution is a full 1080p with wide viewing angle, offering unparalleled clarity for TV watching, movies, web browsing, and other apps. You can mount the TV on, in the wall with supplied wall mount bracket, or place it anywhere you want using VESA bracket, 100mm by 100mm pattern. You have. Number 5. Solaka new 22-inch touch mirror waterproof TV. Our passion is to deliver our customers the best product and services available. We strive to leave every customer 100% satisfied. 22 Android 9.0 updated waterproof smart TV. This is not just a TV. Not just a mirror, it's a mirror TV. Hidden behind a mirror made of tempered glass, with built-in Wi-Fi, smart TV technology, and full HD 1080p. The waterproof smart TV provides a high-resolution picture while also allowing you to browse the web or access smart apps to easily find your favorite media. Number 6. Sauria 22-inch Smart Mirror LED Bathroom TV IP66. This is a 22 Full HD 1080p Android display flat-screen LED TV. with IP66 waterproof rated from the Lasting series. It's a beautiful frameless mirror, and a high-tech waterproof television. It's perfect for bathrooms. A smart mirror, also commonly known as a magic mirror, is a transparent mirror that displays information. The display screen, which is hidden by the reflection of the glass, is a TV. Using the software downloaded from the internet, Smart Mirror can provide up-to-date information on the weather, calendar events, news, social media and more. Number 7. Sauria 22 inches Smart Touchscreen Mirror LED TV for Bathroom. Touchscreen Smart Mirror is always up to date. It presents TV programs when turned on and a mirror when turned off. The TV is IP66 waterproof and it is luxury installed in bathroom, hotel and kitchens. Smart Full HD LED TV Smart Digital TV with Android system. Have access to channels without TV box. No aerial required. Full HD Ready TV, 16:9 screen, resolution: 1920 by 1080, provides high quality and vivid pictures. For more specification, please refer to below product description. Number 8. Sauria 32-inch black color smart bathroom waterproof LED TV. This is a 32 Full HD 1080p Android display flat screen LED TV with IP66 waterproof rated from the Lasting series. It's a beautiful frameless TV, and a high-tech waterproof television, rated IP66. It's perfect for bathrooms. The TV picture with high resolutions. Luxurious visual enjoyment. Decorating a beautiful bathroom. Businesses can use TV to broadcast their own promotional video in the bathroom. With the HDMI and USB port, you can watch TV, movies, your photos, and more. You can easily hang it on the wall in swimming pool, shopping mall, bathroom, kitchen, tub or any other wet environments. Put a TV in the bath so you can catch the news headlines you need in the morning, or watch a favorite movie while you soak in a bubble bath for the ultimate relaxing experience. IP66 waterproof and dustproof rated, suitable for extremely wet environments such as bathrooms, kitchens, salon, SPA, and it's also suitable for function furniture, advertising displays and hotel rooms. Shipping. Usually it takes 1-3 working days to ship out the TV after we have got the paid order. The TV will ship from Poland. DTV TV standard is DVB-T/T2/C. The shipping time on the way is 1-7 working days depending on the destinations and the shipping ways. All waterproof televisions are offered 2 years warranty.